Hey guys, it's Lily. Last night I watched the link for the girls, the Arizona girls, white girls, that their apology video. And my response to it. I watched it late last night, like I was saying. I was really surprised that they actually made an apology video, but that apology video is not going to mend what you said. It's not going to change anything that you said. To me, I'm speaking for me, I'm a forgiving person and I'll forgive you. I'll actually accept your apology, but I hope you're not bullshitting and saying that you're just apologizing because you feel bad. I hope that you're actually apologizing because you actually changed a little bit, just a little bit. You actually said that video you made was actually so wrong. It was really wrong, and I hope you learned your lesson for it. But the thing that to me is, I feel so sorry for you because your 5-minute video ruined your life. Thousands and millions of people now dislike you and now know your faces and probably know your names, and that's gonna be bad. It's gonna follow you for the rest of your life. I saw a guy respond video to the first video you made saying that if you're going to try to apply to a job or apply to a college, if a person from that college saw that video, they're not going to accept you. Trust me, they're not. If you have a bad record and that video is, to me, that's a bad record, you're not going to get accepted to that college. And as for the job, it might be your dream job and it might be the job you really, really want. But if they've seen that video, they're not going to hire you. A company or a business is not going to risk having a person like you in their job. And that's karma to you. You know, karma's a bitch. And that video is always going to be following you. It's going to be your shadow. And I feel really, really bad for you because, you actually made that video. As for using your excuse of being drunk, that's not even an excuse. You've been wanting to say those words to someone, or and then you just use alcohol as an excuse. People do some dumb shit when they're drunk. That's never an excuse. Alcohol is never an excuse. And for the girl that actually has Hispanic relatives, oh my God, girl, I feel so sorry for you. I hope your family does not disown you or did not disown you over that video. Because damn, you're being racist against yourself. That's really messed up. And for the girl that said that wasn't in the video, you were there. So stop trying to say that you weren't. You were there. You were laughing and you thought it was a joke. And even if your face wasn't always on the camera, you were there. If you really weren't racist, you would have stopped it. You would have said, you know what, why are you posting that? Why are you making that video? You should have just deleted it. Why the hell would you post it on YouTube? Knowing that in YouTube, everybody is on YouTube. Everybody. People find the craziest shit on YouTube and you're going to post it on a website that everybody watches? Like, really? Saying that you uploaded it to YouTube and then erased it? Dude, 5 seconds. In 5 seconds, you can get that link and post it nationally. So I'm sorry that you actually have to live with that. And I guess that's it. I'll accept your apology, but a lot of people, a lot of my people, a lot of Hispanics, Mexicans, whatever you want to call it, they're not going to be forgiving. They're not going to be forgiving. They're still going to bash you. They're going to say awful things about you. But everything has a consequence. Everything in this life has a consequence. And you only get one life. And you just ruined yours. So I hope that in the end you did learn something. For me, I'll accept your apology. Again, once more, I'll accept your apology. But I will never forget what you said. Ever. And I guess that's it. I guess you just ruined your life over a 5-minute video. And your apology video, it kind of showed that you did kind of change, but not everybody changes. Not everybody changes. And the people that watched your video, your hateful, racist video, those people, that's your first impression to them. And that will remain for the rest of their life. That's what you are. You're racist. And to apologize that you're not, the first video only counts. A picture has 1,000 words, but a video has millions. And your video has caused an uproar, a big, big uproar, and people hate you for it. So I feel sorry for you. And I'm out.